All right, just finishing this up then. To solve for an unknown, remember we talked about it when we did the trig, you need to have the variable on top. We need to flip it. So 1 over 120 equals t over 3500. Once you do that, you can then multiply both sides by 3500. So we'd have 3500 divided by 120. Bring up the calculator. 3500 divided by 120. We get 29.2 hours. All right, so if you drove at 120 kilometers an hour and you went 3,500 kilometers, it would take you 29.2 hours, and that would get you probably to Miami if you're driving from Ontario from Mitchell. Finally, your velocity, if you started in your bed in the morning and returned to your bed at night and traveled an average velocity of 1 meter per second throughout the day. So keep in mind, when you do this formula, it doesn't matter your velocity really, because your displacement is 0. So the formula doesn't actually even work in this case, because when you do the math here, oh, we're looking for the velocity. Oh, I don't even like the question. Turn to bed. Yeah, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. The key here, though, is that if you return to your starting point, the answer is going to be an average velocity of 0 meters per second, regardless. Okay, and that is because your displacement is equal to 0 meters. Okay, so key here. Finishing this off then, the formula that you want is velocity equals distance divided by time, or you might want to put both of these on your cheat sheet. That one doesn't have a fraction in it. Whichever one you're most comfortable working with, those are the ones that you're working with in this particular set of homework, is you're isolating, you're trying to solve for one of the three unknowns there, D, V, or T. And those examples kind of give you a feel of what to expect. And that's it. That finishes off this lesson. Good luck with the homework. Again, it can be found on the website.